Dear teachers, welcome to TLS coaching session 8. Today we will see another topic, motivation. Motivation means to do something that directs the behavior towards the goal. It's an urge to behave or act in a way that will satisfy certain conditions like your desire or goal, or the spark for the social connection. The absence of this motivation will lead to the mental illness sometimes, like it may lead to depression. Motivation is a desire to continue or strive towards a meaningful purpose, a life which is worth living. There are two types of motivation we are going to discuss here, is intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is that which arises from the internal factors which gives you the sense of personal satisfaction, whereas the extrinsic motivation arises from the external factors that are like salary, fame, money, and your promotion, etc. When you see extrinsic motivation, even this motivation is required for the students to perform and complete a short-term task or an activity to earn a reward or to avoid the punishment. You can see that the picture clearly depicts what is extrinsic motivation. And the intrinsic motivation is a motivation which urges you to perform an activity for your own sake and your personal reward or for your personal satisfaction. This intrinsic motivation arises from within and it makes you a master of the purpose, whereas extrinsic motivation comes from outside. It reminds you or it makes you, helps you to compensate, or it tries to make you avoid the punishment, or you do this or you get this motivation only for the purpose of getting a reward or to escape from the punishment. So this difference between this intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, as we have already said, this extrinsic motivation is something which we do to separable outcomes such as money or some material or some promotions or a fame, etc. Whereas this intrinsic motivation engages in a behavior because it is personally rewarding or giving you an internal satisfaction. So this intrinsic and the extrinsic motivation both are important for reaching a long goal or a long-term goal. Intrinsic motivation has to be encouraged in the students. We can correlate intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation with Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Extrinsic motivation coincides with the safety needs, you can see here, whereas the intrinsic motivation coincides with the self-actualization and the self-esteem. It is related to the psychological needs. Intrinsic motivation is very important in students' life. Intrinsic motivation has emerged as an important phenomena for educators because intrinsic motivation results in high quality learning and creativity. Thank you.